Hello and welcome to another me favourite train spot. Today I am at Chester Street on this nice sunny lovely morning, due to get up to 22 degrees I think today. So I thought, why not, I'll pop out to Chester Street and do a bit of spotting, because I think it's Midland Pullman that's due through at 12 o'clock, so I'm here for that. I'll be here for about 2 hours or so. But yeah, so as you shall see here are LNER, Cross Country, Transpire Express, maybe LUMO, Freight and Local Motor Services which run the Midland Pullman. And maybe some Freight which are on that side. But yeah, let's see what y'all turn up here at Chester Street. First train arriving is a Transpire Express service off to Newcastle, formed as 02210. This is just pulled in as I've been checking when the last time I was here. The last time I was here is January last year, I think. With a quick think through my thing, but I'm sure I've been here since. But yeah. It's local as well, so I don't know why it took that long to get here. But I'll have a thorough check while we wait at the station. But yeah, hey ho. Departing hours 8:02:10. I've just checked again and it was May last year. So, but hey ho, I'm here now. That's all that matters. And during what looks like what was engineering works, they've actually put new ballast and tracks down while that engineering works was going on. So as you can see, you got old and new ballast. But yeah, arriving in now is the Transpire Express service off the Liverpool Lime Street. Bit breezy, but it's a breeze that's nice and cooling down. The number is 802-211. So we had 210 going to Newcastle, we've got 211 going from Newcastle. Numerical order set. Depart now is Transpire Express service off the Liverpool Lime Street, 802-211. After Liverpool Lime Street. Next train to pass through is a cross country service. Birmingham to Edinburgh Waverley, and at that speed I won't be able to get the numbers, but yeah, unless there's special deliveries and I know the numbers. But yeah, hey ho. LNER service off to Edinburgh Waverley from London King's Cross. Passing through now is a LNER service off to London King's Cross. Next train arriving, pass through is a cross country service off to Reading. Next service pass through is an LNER service off to Edinburgh Waverley. Passing through now is Doncaster to My Hill, cast 70, 7801 off to My Hill. Doncaster. He's a very happy driver, that driver. I could hear him before he came because he was blowing his horn all the time. Before I even started the video, I heard about 5-10 horns, and then once I started, he did give me some more. So thank you to the driver there, from the driver. Thank you very much. Next train passed through was the first LUMO train of the day, 803 001. I didn't know that because I check real-time trains. 803 001. Next train passed through is the LNER service off the London King's Cross. Driving in now is the 1111 service off to Trent service off to Liverpool Elm Street. Bombed is 802 210, the return of 802 210. I should have known that. Departing now is the return of 802 210 after Liverpool Elm Street from Newcastle Central. Hittle Castle. Passing through now is the cross country service off to Newcastle. Cross country service off to Newcastle. Next train arriving is the Trans-Pennine Express service off to Newcastle. Can't hear it. Chesterley Street. Sorry about the finger over the camera. 802 208. Diligence. Diligence, Robert Stevenson and Co. 802 208. Pardon, now is 802 208 off to Newcastle Central. Next train pass through is cross country service off to Edinburgh. Passing through now is the LUMO off to Edinburgh Darlington. That's 801 207. Darlington off to Edinburgh Waverley. Next train to pass through is the LNER service off the London King's Cross. Next train to pass through is the LNER service off to Edinburgh Waverley. Next service pass through is cross country service off to Plymouth. Ex-Avanti West Coast set off to Plymouth. Passing through now is a Newcastle to York's LNER service. That service is running because Trans-Pennine Express does not now stop at York, Northampton, so LNER has made a shuttle service, so Northampton still keeps the hourly service. Passing through now is a 366s, 541, 411 and 5952. That's 454. Just look back at the clip after, have a look back, and I'll tell you in the next video. In the last clip it was 66, 45, 414, 514 and 952 in the for the 366s. Passing through now is the highlight of the video. Midland Pullman from Stratford to Fort William. Thank you there for the driver there for the two-tone. And with that, I shall end this video here. Thanks all very much for watching. I do really appreciate it. If you like what you see, please subscribe and like the video. And if you need to know anything or anything, just comment and I'll get back to you as and when I can. So from me here at Cheshire Street, thank you and goodbye.